We've got the Knight Industries 2000 car and the Knight Industries 2000 bike.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Kitt, whom you may regard as the voice of the Knight 2000. I am, sir. Would you like me to give you a 40-point cross-indexed statistical readout? I think this has gone far enough. Adios, amigos. How would you like to hear a little music? You are not the proper owners of this vehicle, so either you get out, or I will take the appropriate measures. Perhaps a lesson in manners will be sufficient. Repeat after me. I will from this day forward become a model citizen. You again? I suggest you keep your ample derriere off my hood.